Transform your Beehiiv website into a lead-capturing powerhouse by building a dedicated newsletter subscription page that converts visitors into loyal readers. Let's dive in and create a stunning, high-converting newsletter sign-up page on your Beehiiv platform. First, log into your Beehiiv account and head over to the Pages section in your dashboard once you're there. Click on the Create New Page button to begin. Now, you'll be greeted by the Beehiiv page editor. This is where the magic happens. We'll start by choosing a layout that suits your brand and goals. Begin by adding a compelling headline. This should clearly state the value proposition of your newsletter. Think about what makes your newsletter unique and why someone should subscribe. Beneath your headline, add a concise subheading that elaborates on the benefits. Highlight what subscribers can expect, like exclusive content, early access, or special offers. The most crucial element is your sign-up form. Click Add Element and select the sign-up form option. This will seamlessly integrate with your Beehiiv email list. Customize your sign-up form. Keep it clean and ask only for the essential information, usually just an email address. Then, craft a clear and action-oriented call to action button, such as subscribe now or join the community. Visual appeal is key. Add an engaging image or graphic that resonates with your newsletter's theme. This helps to break up the text and make your page more inviting. Pay attention to the layout and spacing of your elements. Ensure everything is well-aligned and easy to read. A cluttered page can deter potential subscribers. Once you're happy with the design, hit the Publish button. You can then set a custom URL for your page, making it easily shareable and memorable. And there you have it, a beautiful and functional newsletter subscription page designed to maximize signups and build your engaged audience.